The International Conference on Circuits, Communication, Control and Computing I4C-2024 believes that engineering challenges of the 21st century can only be addressed in an interdisciplinary and cross-disciplinary manner. This has enthused the conference organizers MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology and IEEE Bangalore section to combine all the major domains of electrical sciences in the theme of the conference. This conference will be an international forum for engineers, researchers, scientists, graduate students and industry professionals to showcase their innovations for future research and development.
Intelligent engineering solutions for sustainable era. The conference aims to provide an opportunity for faculty, researchers, students and industry experts to present their novel designs, results, methodology and applications in the area of intelligent engineering solutions for sustainability. It's a good platform for researchers to discuss and share their views, ideas and foster alliances with peers. We received 272 valid paper submissions on different topics in the 4 main domains, namely circuits, control systems, computing and intelligent systems, and communication systems from countries like USA, Bangladesh, Turkey, Malaysia, and from reputed colleges and universities across the country.
I understand that a lot of students are pursuing degrees which are very AI, ML oriented kind of things, but you know, the truth of the matter is actually that you really need domain expertise to actually do something really good, even if you're trying to build intelligent systems. So as we go forward, it's very important to learn the basics of different areas, including if you're interested in the electronics and communications and computing track, to understand the basics of circuits, control, communications, computing. You never know which aspect of any of these things would become important to you at any given point in your life. And when you're young, when your brain is able to absorb things, you should learn as much as you can. And especially learn hard stuff, not just simple some Python programming or something like that. Got to go deep and learn something. One thing that I would encourage all of you to think about is what area interests you, what domain interests you, besides, you know, just computing aspects. Do you want to be in, want to be helping in the healthcare sector, or the education sector, or agriculture, or automotive, you know? So get expertise in some deep expertise in one of these areas, in addition to, you know, developing knowledge that the current society is going towards in terms of intelligent systems, because the system that you build, you have to understand that to actually make it intelligent. If you have very peripheral knowledge, it's very hard to actually make a difference. And that depth with calculus, with the math, with the physics, that background that you have that helps you go deeper into these subjects in engineering, that will make you strong, make you different from any robot or AI software that's out there. You will become like the technical expert that will make that difference. So go deep is what I would say, you know, and find out where your passion is.
This conference, this theme, it gels well with our government, many new initiatives like our semiconductor technology initiative, AI/ML initiative. Then there is this C2S, Chip2 startup, and finally the quantum technologies. And so again, the circuits, it is the building block of an electronic system. And what is circuits is that we have this transistor mainly, put them together. I mean, transistors, they are building block of circuits, circuits are building block of systems. We go in this hierarchical way. And they are the fundamental building block, and the miniaturization, that is our technology scaling, and the sophistication has enabled the creation of a device we could have never imagined before. And as you can see in the smartphones and the laptops to medical equipment and industrial automation, circuits underpins our daily life. And on top of that, you have the control, that is the control unit, which controls different blocks in our system, trying to talk to each other. And they play a critical role in everything from transportation and manufacturing to energy management and the health.
At the outset, I congratulate all the departments who are involved in coining and responsible for this 5th International Conference on Circuits, Control, Communication and Computing. Very interesting area, and the theme of the conference is nicely coined, solution for sustainable era, intelligent solution they call it. In engineering, you have plenty of challenges, and you are blessed to be in engineering because engineering inherently multidisciplinary. And it is nicely coined in the proceedings of the conference that this conference is going to have some of the problems tackled through interaction between multidisciplinary and cross-disciplinary. Especially for the youngsters, I wish to draw your attention and draw the analogy of various fields of engineering you study over 4 years, and also in arriving at some of the engineering solutions. Very simple way of handling any engineering problem. You have a system, you will have certain inputs, maybe in the form of stressors or pressures or voids or whatever, data. Then you process, get a desired output which is going to be used by the society. The process is very important. That's where these 4 systems of engineering come into picture, whether it is circuit or control. We use different names in different domains of engineering. So that is the reason why I said, to try to understand the analogy between the various disciplines of engineering, you will be a master in your future. The reason why I say is, it is a Kirchhoff law in some of the engineering programs, it is equations of equilibrium in some of the engineering programs. When you talk about Ohm's theory or Ohm's law, it is equal to Hooke's theory in some of the engineering problems. The principle of superposition is same for all of us. The principle of reciprocal theorem is same for us. Somebody talks about Coulomb's theorem, somebody talks about Newton's theorem. So you must understand basically, as both the speakers were talking, you must understand the basics very clearly. Then you will be process any complex problem. Your aim should be solve only complex problems are left now. The simple problems with the traditional data, everything has been solved. We have quite a good mathematicians, applied science people, they have all done it. Now, because of the complexity of the problems, you have a new innovative way of handling things in the form of deep learning or machine learning or applications of IoT or AI. So everybody talks about, it should not be a buzzword or marketing, it should be a technology or tool to give some of the very important solutions. I think this conference will work on these principles and come out with solutions which are useful to the humankind, and technology we should have always a human face. The technology without human face, it's not a technology at all.
Today our chief guest has been Dr. Dilip Krishnaswamy, the director CDOT, who has given us, all of you, the delegates who have come here, something to ponder upon, think, exchange, and he insisted on deep learning. Also, Professor Shantanu Mahapatra also spoke to all of you, to all of us, about these 4 aspects of engineering, research, and sustainable solutions for mankind. I am here only to deliver the presidential address. However, we all should know, like Professor Karisida was saying, any technological innovation without thinking about humanity or mankind is no technology at all, is no technical marvel at all. And today we have come in for hundreds of years. A lot of our previous researchers, scientists have gone through and given us all the basic solutions needed by mankind. Like you were saying, most of the complex, the general problems of humanity are all solved. Everybody has given us various options, various solutions to a sustainable development. But we are getting into complex solutions, and we are also getting into complex crimes. Now, nobody thought of a cyber crime about 30 years back. Science and technology is a double-edged sword. So all of you should ponder, think that sustainable development of solutions to mankind, fine. At the same time, you should see that a lot of inbuilt alerts are there so that the human beings are not troubled. Now AI, I don't know what are the dangers it's going to pose to humanity in future.